Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Baguette Kitchen Garden. Welcome to the YouTube channel guys. On this new video guys, we're going to be talking about how you can grow your chili peppers guys. Very interesting plant if you can look at them guys. So I'm going to show you the steps on how I grow my peppers guys. From going to mulch, how I use my liquid fertilizers, and so on and so forth guys. Okay guys, we're going to start by pruning the peppers. After pruning the peppers guys, we are going to apply the liquid fertilizers guys. So what we do first guys is to remove these big leaves here guys, carefully guys. Make sure that you don't break your plant. So guys, this helps your chili peppers to produce a lot faster and to produce bigger fruits guys, or bigger harvests. So every now and then guys, if you see big leaves, you have to prune them. After pruning the big leaves guys, you will get a plant like this. So it also helps to create brand new branches here guys. These branches guys are going to produce some chili peppers guys. So remove them. After removing the leaves guys, we are going to prepare the soil for watering guys. But I am not going to water on this video because I've already watered in the morning. So what I want to do right now guys is to apply the liquid fertilizer guys. My liquid fertilizers guys is made of fish scales. This is the liquid fertilizers guys. It is only mixed with fish scales, water, fish scales, and then we are through guys. I produce peppers that are this size guys from this small container and from 3 plants. 1, 2 and 3 plants guys. So before you water with this liquid fertilizers guys, you have to create some small pockets between your soil so that the liquid fertilizer can get a chance to sink in deep. And then after that, we're going to pour the liquid fertilizer. After pouring the liquid fertilizers guys, we are going to apply our mulch. Okay guys, this is the liquid fertilizer, fish scales. Let's go down to the advantages of using a container guys is because when you apply your liquid fertilizers, you don't get water running off on the surface as many who are using banks or the soil when they are planting on the ground. So now that we have applied our liquid fertilizer guys, we are going to apply our mulch. The kind of mulch that I normally apply guys is grass clippings guys. So how to apply your grass clippings guys, you have to be careful and place them between the plants. Your grass clippings guys help you with a lot of things, such as helping your plants and your container to not dry off water every once in a while guys. Using a container, you don't have to water frequently when you have mulch like this, because the grass clippings will protect your soil from drying out and becoming concrete. So, and it also helps your plants to grow a lot faster because you will be protecting the mulch. You will be protecting the plant with mulch and the liquid fertilizer from drying out underneath. So when you have mulch like this guys, what you have to do every once in a while is to water once or twice every week, because we don't want your container to have a lot of water so that your plant will drown. So remember guys, I am using containers for gardening. If you watch my previous videos guys, you will see that I don't have enough space in my garden, so this is how I plant my vegetables now and then, guys. So thank you for watching, my guys. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the new video.